I'm Nicolette.
I'm Brian.
And we're the Crystal Lovers.
We're here at McAdoo today, and we're going to search for quartz. We're checking new areas, and we're trying to locate crystal points and clusters. Keep watching till the end. You'll see what we find, and make sure you subscribe if you like our content. We made it. I love you.
You're a savage, baby.
This tree right here is not being nice.
Not at all.
It's protecting.
Literally so unforgiving. Like,
Look at that. Stop.
Like, look at, I have a whole tree in my hair.
I don't.
Look at it.
That's crazy.
Me, okay, we'll get digging.
I gotta start.
Happy about this guy.
Beautiful, babe.
He's 1.5. Pulling these beautiful guys right out of here.
A few points she's pulling out.
They're both broken actually, but they're super clear.
So I just pulled out the rock on top of here, and we're pulling out piece by piece, and we're just gonna get into there and hope that the exposes a lot more.
Yeah, look at this facet right here.
Beautiful facet. I'm gonna show that.
That's what needs to happen.
So a lot of facets here.
As you can see right here, there's a nice facet sticking out.
We want them to get bigger, but it's a good start. And we're gonna keep at it.
It is really clear, honestly.
Am I getting the remnants of someone else?
Yeah.
Every single piece is beautiful clear like this. Nicolette's in her hole right over here. Just found a quartz ball with some points on it. 2 quartz balls.
Finding stuff like this, not completely clear, but some really cool inclusions in here. I really like this actually. Finding some good chunks of that. Found this. And here we're just casually falling down the mountain. Sometimes when you're not looking for stuff is when you find it.
Make sure you subscribe. We're about to take a big trip in a week. We're really excited for it. It's for Nicolette's birthday, so subscribe, leave a comment, tell her happy birthday. Tell her what you would like to see her do on this trip, and we'll tell you more about it in our next video. You gonna look at it? Yeah, look at it if you don't like.
For my birthday, we're going to be traveling to several different mines, so stay tuned to see where we go.